Hi skydivers, I'm Sananaya and you're watching Sana Sky. So you remember the video in which I recreated some of Fajana Drawing Academy's drawings, and I also told you that if I will draw more drawings in the future, I will do a part 2 for it. And yes, today we're going to do that only because I have 3 pictures right now with me. I have recreated. So before this video starts, I just want to say that actually I said it's 3 drawings, but actually one of the drawings, what happened was I actually had recreated the drawing, but somehow like my drawing book the page got torn in which I drew that drawing. So and then it got lost, that single page got lost. So now I should have thought about keeping it, like taking care of it so that I can use it in this video. But I'm really sorry, I just wanted to say sorry. So I'm just gonna show you the real one and then rate it. Like, yeah, in this video we are going to rate my drawings and Fajana Drawing Academy's drawings according to how hard it was. Like, so let's get to the first one. So today's first drawing is this. This one right here is the real one, and what I like about this drawing is how the shading of the hair is done, like the bun, the shading of it. I'm really bad at shading, so I don't know if I have done good enough at this shading. And of course the gown also has shading part, but what I like about the shading the gown is that how the folds are made to look like it's realistic. So I like that. I like those kind of drawings, but they're really hard though. But so it took me hours to draw this drawing, but still it's not that good. This is the copy, the recreated one. You cannot exactly say it's a copy, but at least I've tried. What I like about my drawing is how, like, I was really bad at shading. I am till now. But with small parts like that hair part, I did it pretty good, and I did not do the shading of the gowns because that was really hard. So I just didn't want to ruin the picture. So now, like, I would rate my recreated drawing uh, uh, 5 out of 10. Yeah, a 5 out of 10 is okay. And the real drawing, it was hard for me, so according to me I will rate it 9. No, wait, a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I will rate it a 9 out of 10. This one is 9 out of 10 and this one is 5 out of 10. So let's move on to the next one. So this one, as I told you, I don't have the recreated picture right now. I'm really sorry about that, but I have recreated this picture. Let me show you. This is the real one. I don't have the copyright, the recreated one, mine, because the reason I told you before this video. So I'm really sorry for that, but I have recreated this and I would add this to my recreated pictures of Fajana Drawing Academy too. So what I like about this drawing is how detailed, like the wings, you see that this detailed, very detailed, and it looks pretty. And the shading of the hair, I think I've done pretty good in doing the shading of the hair, because like small parts I can definitely do that, but if I have large parts like the gown and all those things, so, and the folds, like when she sits on like the moon, now how the folds are made to be realistic, that also I like it. And also I think there's a bit of shading there in that gown part too, but I didn't really want to ruin it. So and how she's holding in her hand, like the stars are also there. And if I had my real drawing, I would have shown it to you, but no, I don't have it right now. But I can tell you that the face does not look like the real one. Definitely not. I tried to make it look like a little bit of girly, like try to make it look like a woman, but it's really weird. So I'm sorry for the, so it's really weird. So I can definitely tell you that the face is really different. And so I would rate my drawing, if I had it right now, like a 4 out of 10. It's not that bad, but it's not that good. So and the real one, of course, is I can maybe put it a 9.5 out of 10, because it was also hard for me. Everything is hard for me, I know. But uh, for me it was hard, so I would rate it a little bit more points. 9.5 out of 10 is my ratings. Your rating should be in the comment section. Rate my drawing as well as Vijana Drawing Academy's real drawings. So let's move on to the last one. So this is the last one. So this is the drawing, something that I like from all these 3 drawings, because I think the least mistakes I have made is in this drawing. So let me just introduce you to the real one. So the real one is right over here. This is like a Korean, I don't know what they call it, tumbler or something. Like it's like Korean heart. It shows like a heart shape, like Korean heart. So I found it pretty cute. So that's why, and that was simple. And this looks simple also. So I tried to make it, and I think the least mistakes one is this one. So here's my recreated one. So the only thing I don't like about my drawing, is the finger. It's like how that I drew the thumb. Like it's so thin. Like it doesn't even look like a thumb of. Like part should match, right? This finger is the exact same like size, like how thick it is, but my thumb got a little. And also like the nails, I did not make them shiny, because my type of color pencils were different from what Fajana Didi used. So I did not make them shiny like it. I was going to ruin it, so I just simply fully colored it. And other than that, everything is perfectly fine. I feel good about this drawing, because this drawing is the only drawing where I made the least mistakes out of all the 3. So I would rate it like my drawing like an 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. And the real drawing, of course, deserves 10 out of 10, because those who think that they're not meant to draw these difficult drawings but make them look cute, this one is the perfect one. So I would rate it like a 10 out of 10. So yeah, this is the last drawing. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Your ratings you can write in the comments below, and also give some ideas for my next video, because I don't have any ideas, my sisters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you're new, click the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, and also you can write your ratings down in the comments. Until then, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Bye.